Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome to Learn with Preeti Bedi. Today's topic is going to be IELTS Speaking Part 1, and we are going to look at a specific topic which is home decoration. Talking about home is quite common in IELTS Speaking Part 1. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 questions, and in the end, I'm going to give you sample answers for those 4 questions. I'm also going to explain different kinds of decorations that people use for their homes, and I'm also going to give you a few vocabulary words that you can use when you are appearing for your IELTS speaking test. So without any delay, let's get started. And before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon button so that you get notifications for all my videos. Hit the like button because I know you like my videos. Remember, IELTS speaking is all about accumulating your thoughts and expressing them with clarity. A little preparation can go a long way to help you in achieving your desired band score. Whatever sample answers I'm going to give you today, okay, don't memorize them. This is my personal recommendation. Don't memorize any of the sample answers that I'm going to show you. Rather, just use them as an idea, because the sample answers will be here to give you an idea as to how you can present your answer. Okay, what I want you to do is, after you have looked at the sample answers, write down your own answers based on your personal interest in the comments, because I'm going to read all the comments, and if there is any correction required, I'm going to reply to each and every comment of yours. So let's quickly have a look at the 4 questions. What's the decoration like in your home? What kind of decoration do you prefer? Do people in your country like redecorating their homes? What's your favorite color when decorating your home? So first, we will look at the different types of interior designs that people use for their homes, and you can use either any one of them or any 2 of them in case you are asked this question in IELTS Speaking Part 1. So the first popular interior design is minimalist, and you can use the word minimalistic as well. Okay, this word is used to express as in when someone has only essential items in their home. They don't use any extra items to decorate their home, only essential items. Second is contemporary, and this type of decoration represents a sense of current trending style. When someone wants to be up to date while decorating their homes, they use different trending styles. So that is when we use the word contemporary. Next is modern decor, and it's quite sleek and simplistic designs where not too many accessories are involved, but it's better than minimalistic. Okay. Next one is Scandinavian, which includes incorporation of natural elements like wood, and in this type of decoration, more emphasis is on natural lighting and functional furniture. Okay, there is also traditional Indian decoration where people want to use ethnic items like handicraft to decorate their homes. So I hope that this gives you an idea as to what different types of interior design people use in their homes. Okay, now let's have a look at a few vocabulary words that you can incorporate in your IELTS speaking. The words are creative, designer, artistic, elegant, aesthetic beauty, beautification, classy, luxurious items. So depending upon your answer, you can incorporate 2 or more of these words to your IELTS speaking. When it comes to decorating one's home, we can also talk about various colors. For example, I like the color of sun, which is bright yellow. It's a bright and vibrant color. It symbolizes happiness and positivity in the house. You can also say monotone colors are elegant and calming. Although black and white is simple, yet it's classy. Talking about the color blue, you can say just like the sky, it gives peace of mind and a relaxing effect on your mind after a hectic day. Now we will quickly look at the sample answers for the 4 questions that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. And the first question was, what's the decoration like in your home? And here's my sample answer. I am a kind of person who doesn't like a lot of clutter in my house. Honestly, there's nothing fancy about my home as I'm living a minimalistic life for past few years. So you will only find essential items in my home. The next question is, what kind of decoration do you prefer? And here's my answer. I love being close to nature. So if I talk about my dream house, Scandinavian would be my first preference. Also, I would love to decorate my house with all kinds of natural and artificial plants. So before we move on to the third and fourth question, I just want to remind you, please do not memorize these sample answers because these are just to give you an idea as to how you can prepare your answers. And don't forget to leave your comments because I'm going to read and reply to each and every comment. So here is the third question. Do people in your country like to redecorate their homes? And here is my sample answer. Well, I believe it's purely a personal choice and their ability to spend money on redecorating their homes. Generally, people like to refurbish their homes once they get married or when they have children. In my country, people love decorating their homes on festivals and special occasions. Notice that in this sample answer, I gave you another vocabulary word, refurbish, which you can use in place of redecorate. And the last question is, what's your favorite color when decorating your home? Although I have already given you an idea as to how you can talk about different colors, but still I'm going to give you a sample answer for this question as well. So here is my answer. As I mentioned earlier that I'm in love with nature, so the hues of blues and greens would be my first preference. Green is such a refreshing color and it makes you feel close to the nature, and blue gives you peace of mind. I know you find this video useful and you like it, so don't forget to hit the like button. Share it with your friends because I know they will also like it. I'm waiting to read your comments. Quickly write down your answers in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.